Good evening, my dear GW soldiers. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Very good evening, all of you. Very good evening. First of all, kindly let me know, am I audible? Am I audible? Are you getting my voice? Each and everyone? Are you getting my voice? Yes, Adhya. Very good evening, very good evening. Deep, very good evening. Sima, very good evening. Each and everyone, am I audible? Kindly let me know. Audio video clear? Now, all clear. Very good. Very good. Thank you everyone for confirmation. So today, my dear student, today we are going to discuss the next part, definition of this finding candidate keys. What we discussed today, how to find the multiple candidate keys. But before discussing the how to find multiple candidate keys, what we discussed, whatever we covered till now, my dear student, first class we discussed the RDBMS concept. After the RDBMS concept, we discuss FD concepts. What is the meaning of FD concepts and FD types of FDs. Then we discuss attribute closure. After the attribute closure, we discuss the concept. In the keys concept, we discuss super key and we discuss candidate key and finding multiple candidate. Finding multiple candidate key. Okay, and how to find multiple candidate key? I told first you find, my dear GW soldiers, first you find any one candidate key. First find any one candidate key and that attribute become prime attribute. Now, if that prime attribute, I told there are so many rules, but you only focus only this rule. This is the Brahmastra. If that prime attribute is determined by any X attribute, if that prime attribute is defined by any X attribute, then multiple candidate keys are there. Then multiple candidate keys are clear, bacha. Now, before discuss this, sir, we know what is the meaning of prime or key attribute and what is the meaning of non-prime or non-key attribute. What is the meaning of prime or key attribute? The set of attribute that belongs to any candidate key, that belongs to, we are present in attributes belongs, yeah, present, yeah, part of any, you can say some candidate, that is called prime या key attribute. What is the meaning of non-prime या non-key? The attributes which is not present in any of the candidate key. Attributes is not present in any or some candidate. So till now each and everything crystal clear, everyone. Till now each and everything crystal clear. Kindly let me know, my dear student. Write down in chat box, everyone. Write down in chat box. Crystal clear? Very good. Then we discuss the key concept. I already discussed key concept. First of all, we have a super key. From the super key, find minimal. Then candidate key. From the candidate key, one select as a primary key, at most one primary key, and remaining all candidates are called alternative key or secondary. Alternative key or secondary key, my dear. Alternative key or secondary. The meaning of this. Then we discuss this question. Please tell me what is the answer of this question. How many candidates? I given this question as a homework. And please let me know what is the answer for this question. What are the candidate keys? Everyone. Mention the name also. Mention the name also. What are the candidate keys? Mention. Is everyone acknowledge fast? Deep, Seema, Adyaraj, everyone tell me. FG. Beta, answer is incomplete. Total 5 candidate. ABG. First of all, take the clue. AB. When we take the clue AB, what happening? Are getting, are not getting, is not present in FD. What we do? We will take ABG. When we take ABG, then what happen? A, B, F, G. Then what we can say, my dear student? We can say ABG is a candidate. Why directly you are saying, sir, you taken the oath na, until unless we can't decompose, you can't declare. I know, beta, it is already minimal because from AB I am not getting all attribute. Neither from A nor from B not getting all. Okay. So here, what is the prime attribute? Here prime attributes are A, comma B. Okay. Now here you can see E determine AF. E determine AF. So you can replace this A with the help of B. What we are getting? A, B, F, G. And we can't tell until unless we compose G and E. G and EG, my dear. When you take the closure of BG, you are getting only BG. When you take the closure of EG, are getting only. Then we can say B a candidate. Next one is EEG, my dear. Adya, clear beta? Next one is work done A. A determined by F also. A determined by F also. Here you can see A. F determined D. What we can say? What we can say? Ki we can replace this A with the help of F. We can replace this A with the help of F, my dear. So, sir, now the question arises, ki, sir, which A we have to replace? Which A? One A. Then what happen? Are getting FB. Then directly A, B, F. But you know, we can't tell directly it is a candidate key until unless we take the and FG. It is a very good question, bacha. When you take the closure of BG, not getting all attribute, not getting all attribute. But but when you take the closure of FG, now think about what is happening. When you take the closure of, when you take the closure of FG, then listen, bacha. First of all, FG itself, F tends to A and D tends to, and F, AB tends to A, B, C, D, E, F, G are getting all. FG become candidate. FG become candidate. The third candidate key can say the prime attribute F will be added. Now A work done. A work, here A work done, here A work done. Sir, A is also can replace the A, can replace the A, sir. We determine A, D. Sir, you can replace the A with the help of C. Then what we say? B, E. But we break first C and CG. When we take the closure of CG, what is happening? G and C determine A, D, E, and D determine E, B, F. Then we are getting A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G become candidate. G become candidate key. This is the fourth. Prime attribute A work done. Now same thing, my dear student, same thing we have to follow for. Same thing we have to follow for next prime attribute. You can see, my dear. Determine. What beta? Determine. F mean to say you can replace, my dear, this B with the help of D. Now you have to see wherever the B is coming, here and here. These two places B is coming. What we can say? ABG. What we can say? ADG, AD, and EEG, and P. Now you can say, sir, there are six candidate key. There are six candidate key. No, my dear. We can't tell directly. First we AG, EG closure already we taken. EG closure and AG closure already we taken. AG is also not giving anything. We take the closure of D. When you take the closure of DG, first of all DEG and D determine F, and F determine A, AB determine C, A, B, C, F, G are getting all white. So we can say D. Well, clear, bacha? Then D added. Now B work has been done. Now check for E. I just copied this slide. I just copied this slide to complete this question. I just copied. Okay. Now check for B work has been done. B work has been done. Yes, sir. Now check for E. E determined by prime attribute. We have to check each and every one, na? Because I told ki if you follow this method, you don't no need to follow any method. Believe me. Now check for E. E E E on RHS. Yes. E determine wherever E can replace by acha BG. What you do? This is by, but when you break and D candidate key already taken, ready taken, my dear, ready taken. E work done. E work is also determined by, my dear student. E is determined by E determine AD. Can replace this E with the help of C. What happened? ECG. But when you break G and CG, you came to know CG is already taken. C is already taken, bacha. Already taken. Clear, everyone? Now E work has been done. E determined by AB. ABG already taken. F. FB. F determined by you can see, bacha. F determined by PE. So what you can say here, this F replaced by BE. G is already taken as a candidate key. Already taken. F work has been done. F determined by F determined by D. You can replace this F with the help of D. Already taken. One also done. Similarly, C and D done, my dear. Total we have 5 candidates. Total we have 5 candidate keys. Here you can see. I can write here. Sima, are you getting what is your correct answer? Total 5 candidate keys are there. What are the keys? A, B, G, G. Third one F, G, G, and D. These are the 5 candidates. Each and every one chamka. Each and every one chamka. Crystal clear? Kindly let me know, please, fast. This is a very good question. But believe me, if you follow only one rule, what? If there is any X attribute which determine the prime attribute, then repeatedly you will get the correct answer without any mistake. Or if there are many cases, then you will get repetitively candidate key. Like here I am getting repetitively na, already taken, already. If any new na, I will cover this. Clear, bacha? The question which I have given, so there is 5 candidates. Now please tell me, this is the gate question. Now tell me what is the answer of this. Please participate, everyone. Everyone participate fast. Please do it. What are the candidate keys? Very good. Very good, bacha. Here you can see. AB candidate key. Why AB? Directly we can't tell. First we take the A. We are getting, there only we are getting. What we can say, AB is candidate key first one. Now, prime attribute, prime or key attribute, list A comma B. Now you can see, my dear, A comma B, find A. You can replace this A with the help of what we can say. Then we are getting, but we can't tell directly until unless we can't take the clue. Clear, bacha? Clear? Yes. Very good. He is candidate key. So here, prime attribute A, B, C. If anyone asking on prime attribute, then you can say not exist. On prime, not exist. Prime, not exist. Clear, bacha? Next. This question ask in ISRO also. Ask in. Now you let me know what is the, I told in the classes also. Key means what? Candidate. Key means what? Whenever I am discussing about the key, that means that is a candidate key. Now let me know what is the correct answer. What we have to do? Just take the closure of C, E, fine, F, and any other are getting only. When you take the closure of E, what is happening? E, C, E, C, C determine F, E determine A, and E, C determine D, E, C determine D. Getting my point? E, C determine D, C determine F, and then A or A determine B. We are getting, just arrange alphabetically. A, B, C, D, E. Deep, are you getting beta? Deep, Seema, everyone write down in chat box. Next, AE closure. When we take the closure of AE, first of all, AE and E, A, okay, A determine B, A determine, that's all. Because we are not getting C. Now, AC. What is happening? First of all, A, C, and A determine B, and C determine F. Can we get E? No, we don't have E. We don't have E. One become key. Which one become key? Very good, Komal beta. God bless. One become key. The correct answer for the question. And here, what is the candidate keys? Answer is I am writing in the box also. Here, one is the gate question. Now solve this one. What is the keys? What is the keys? Everyone acknowledge fast. If you are getting, kindly write down in chat box here. बना दीजिए दिल everyone. Please everyone, let me know first. Please solve. Please solve. Right now solve please. Whenever this type of question, either you can do one thing. Most of the students doing, they rename A, B, C, D. They convert into. But I am saying ki not, don't do this type of thing. Don't convert A, B, C. Sometimes you are not proper rename. But like A, number, number and D, then you can do it. But I am doing here without any. So here you can see what are the attributes and performance. And what are the name, number and okay. Now these are the four FD are given. First, second, third, and fourth. FDs are given. First, I will take the closure of name and course number. Then what is happening? Number and grade and name to. I am not declaring directly. I am not declaring directly. Wrong, beta Komal. I'm not declaring directly. It is a candidate key. What I do, I will take the closure as well as course number. Well as course number, my dear. As well as course and course number. Here, bacha, when I take the closure of name, what is happening? And roll number. When I take the closure of only course number, I am getting course. What is the key? First key is what? Name and course number is the first can. Now, prime attribute. Prime attribute. Name. Okay. Now you can see, my dear, name. Name is determined by roll. Roll number. Find the mean to say you can replace the name here help of roll number. Then what happen? Roll number and determine each and everything. Number, number, name and grade. But we can't tell directly. Please, we taken the oath. If we, until we decompose, we can't tell it is a key. Okay. So here, what is the subset? What is the subset? Course number and roll. Course number already we taken. Now we take the closure of roll number before declaring it is get key. Then what happened? Roll number and name we are getting. Not getting all attributes. Not getting all attributes, my dear. What is the second candidate key? Number and course number. Here, bacha, are getting candidate. Actually, it is the question of normal form, but for that purpose, so here, how many candidate keys are there? Their answer is two candidate. Crystal clear, everyone? Each and everyone crystal clear. Name, course number, and roll number, course number. Sudeep, very good. Komal, crystal clear. Seema, Adyaraj, each and everyone crystal clear. Kindly let me know. Next question. This is asked in GATE 2005, 2 marks. All this. All this. Here FDs are given A to B, B. Please tell me what is the correct answer. Because here you can see directly you can take a option. Here I am not forcing you directly you can take a option. Okay. Like H is also present in the FDs. What we do, take the closure A, E, H. First of all, we trying H is needed or not. When we take the closure of A, E, then what happen? A, B, C, B, C, that's all. Are not getting H. You have to include H also. A, E, H. A, B, C, D, E. Now you can see this one is okay. Prime attribute list is what? Prime attribute list is H, A and E. Now A, you can see A determined by D. A determined by, you can say D, H become the next, and E determined by, E determined by, E determined by C. No, no, nothing. Now D determined by BC. D determined by BC. So what we say, BCEH, BCEH. When we break BCEH, then what happen? H become the, H become the. Are you getting my point? Directly you can take the, my dear. Directly you can take, like this one is okay. Okay. Now check BCH. BCH. Bachcho, D is mandatory. D is mandatory because D is in LHS. Are you getting my point? When we take the closure of BCH, first of all BH, D determine D, determine D, and D determine A. A, B, H. We are not getting. That's why it clear, bacha. Now we take the H directly by elimination approach. You can do it. H, D determine A, D determine C. Getting my point? And BC, A determine B. You can see A, B, H. The correct answer. Very good, Jaideep, Sham, Sudeep, Komal, Seema. Very good, bacha. Crystal clear here till now. Each and every point is crystal clear, bacha. Here D is the correct answer. A, H, H and D. Kindly let me know, my dear student, each and everything is clear or not. Everyone let me know, then I will move to the next question. Please, 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 fast. Hope so you are getting the concept of candidate key, how to find multiple candidate keys, and here I am taking not stuck. So done. Now tell me what is the key. Ask in gate for normal form, ask in gate for normal form, and ISPO also. Other competition gate 2000. Please let me know what is the correct answer. What is the correct answer for this? Am I wrong? I change this question. It is not exact question now. I change this question to let me know what is the correct answer for this question. I change. Please check it once again. And gate question was different. Bachcho, you have to be confident on your answer. Maybe you right, maybe you wrong, but I will not disclose right now. I have no. Don't worry, beta. Don't worry. I am taking here all PYQs. Take any tension. And as soon as possible, there is a one very good that as the on Vishwas Divas of W on 28th Feb, they announced yes, you will get PYQ. They are coming the solution. And now Sudeep, ये कैंडिडेट की शाम, can everyone please check it? Maybe you correct, maybe wrong, but you have to confident on your answer, bacha. That is the main key. Very good. What is happening? Gate kiss. What is happening? Here B F is gate question. Original gate question. Here B is not there. Either F. But I change, my dear. Change this and asking. First of all, when you take the what we are getting and mine E mine are getting and B determine G. A F is not present in F is not present in FD. Is not present in FD. I told whenever any attribute not present, whenever any attribute not present in FD, then make a part the add in candidate. Because otherwise you can't open the lock na, can't declare. So bacha Sudeep, just wait. When we take the closure of AF, what happen? A, B, F, P, G. Okay. Now we can say AB is a candidate. AF, not AB. AF is a candidate. Now the question arises, sir, can we have a multiple candidate keys? Can we have a multiple candidate keys? So we will write here prime attributes. Prime attribute is what? F comma A. First of all, F comma A. Now, beta, yes, Sima, very good. And Sudeep, you are saying, देखिए बच्चा F and A. Now check there is any situation in which any X attribute determine the prime attribute. In these FD set, F or A present in RHS. F or A present in RHS, beta. F or A present in RHS. You can see here. No, 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 no. What we can say? No multiple candidate key. If your answer is completely wrong, you say beta AEF, ACF, APF, ADEF. These all are super key, but not या never candidate key. Not या never candidate. It never a candidate. Why? Because AF is candidate or candidate key. Why? Because candidate key must be These are not a minimum. Deep, hope so you are getting here. AEF is present in each and every, but these are not minimal becha. Only one candidate key. Crystal clear, everyone? Each and everyone crystal clear? Only one candidate key, no multiple candidate key, only one candidate key, that is clear. If don't the wrong answer bacha. Now this one we done. Now solve this. Date 2006, 2 marks. Solve please. Everyone. Solve please. So let me know you are really enjoying or not. Jaideep, Sham, Deep, Komal, everyone. Let me know please, everyone. Enjoying? You can write in comment box also. Hashtag enjoy wala. Hashtag enjoy. Hash enjoy. Everyone. Jaideep, now let me know the answer also. It is asking candidate key. Beta Sima, God bless everyone. Yes. Now, here, what is the candidate key? Everyone acknowledge Sham, Deep, Komal, everyone. Now, listen, bacho. What is the candidate key here? What is the candidate? Take the close X. We are writing the FDs. W, X, Y, Z are the Y to W. X determine Z and Y determine Y to W. W, X determine Z and okay. Now, listen everyone. First of all, take the close X. When we take the close Z, what we are getting? XZ. Anything more, my dear? VXZ. Anything more? Here VY, here WX, here ZY. When we take the closure of VXY, what is happening? XY, Y, Y, my dear, VY. Y tends to W. We are getting WX to Z, ZY to are getting all five attributes. The key. Now, here you can see it is asking about candidate key. It explicitly mention candidate key. Explicitly mention candidate key, my dear. If only mention key, then also key means candidate. Getting my point here? So, sir, you told key means super key. Beta, what I am saying, every key is a super key, and super key means what? Which can open the lock. Are you getting my point? So here, XY is candidate. XY is what? Candidate. Now, my dear student, when VXY is the candidate key, then it is the super key. The super you can see here. Then WXY, WXYZ is super key. but not candidate. Well, clear everyone? Yes. The correct answer for B is the correct answer for this. And believe me, I will take lots of questions also. Now, this is the GATE 2013 2 marks. Actually, this question asked in GATE 2013 4 marks, one from normal form topic and one from. Now, you let me know what is the correct answer. Thank you, Sima, Jadeep, Sudeep, Ram, Komal, each and everyone. Thank you, everyone. God bless. What are the candidate keys? Write down the number as well as name. How many candidate keys in you are getting? Along with the option, you will tell me the name of that candidate. Tell me the name of that candidate. Just tell me what is the candidate. What is the candidate? Deep, wrong, beta. Wrong. Yes, very good. AD, BD, FD, and yes. There are four candidate keys. First candidate key can see, then E. Determined by F, FD, and F determined by B are the four candidates. These are the candidates. Crystal clear, everyone? My dear student, kindly let me know each and everything crystal clear. These are the four candidate kits. Very simple, because here D is not present in the FD. D is not present in the FD. What we have to do? We have to take in every candidate. So prime attribute is what? First case, comma A. Now you can see A determined by E. Then ED become. Now you see E determined by F, then FD, then F determined by B, C are getting, and B determined by A already you taken. There are four candidates. Here B is the correct answer for this. The correct answer for this. Now the next GATE 2014 question. Solve this. What is the key? What is the FDs are given? We have a relational schema R in which F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. These are the relational FDs. And what are the FDs? These are the attribute set. F determine G, F determine G, F determine IJ, H determine KL, K determine M, L determine N are the L determine M. Yes, everyone, let me know. Very good. When you take the closure of EF only, when you take the EF, and when we go, then what happen? We are getting FG. F determine IJ and nothing, because we required H also. Don't have H. When we take the FH, what is happening? FH first of all, F determine G, F determine IJ, and EH determine KL, K determine M, L determine FGH, are getting all attributes. It is asking about the candidate key. So, bachcho, what candidate? I told here What candidate? What candidate? So here, what is the correct answer? The correct, the correct answer. Now, solve this one, bachcha. Solve this one. Each and every one, let me know fast. Some places you find, some places you find, in some places you find all candidates. That is completely wrong. That is completely wrong, my dear. That is completely wrong. Clear, bacha? Now, listen what I am saying. Prime attribute. Prime attribute, what? Can say prime or key attribute that present in any of the candidate. For example, for candidate key A and F. What are the prime attributes? What are the prime attribute, my dear? What are the prime attribute? Prime attribute A, comma B, comma C, comma D, comma F. Now you let me know. Now you let me know A is present in all candidate key. A present in, let us let's assume there are 4 candidate keys. These are the candidates. Okay? These are the candidate. Clear, bacha? Are the candidate keys. What is the prime attribute? A, B, F. So what is the prime attributes? A, B, C, D, E, F. Now you let me know A present in all candidate keys. A present in all candidate keys? No. B present in all candidate keys? Never here. Prime attribute is attribute that present in any of the candidate key or some candidate key a part of the key. Are you getting my point? But it is not present in all candidate. They all, that is completely wrong. Or you have a proof also, but so don't think in this. Okay, here the correct. Sir, he can also be correct na? Because you told na कि candidate keys में से we find one as a primary key. But here please read the question. Only in only means what about other remaining candidate key? That attribute is not called a prime attribute according to option D. That's why only B the correct answer. Clear, bacha? Now, next one. Crystal clear, everyone? This asked in 2014. Each and everyone crystal clear. Kindly let me know fast. Let me know, my dear students. Acho, and write down in chat box. You are getting. Please. Come. Adhyaraj. Now, here it is asking the primary key by and super key means what? Any superset of called clear, bacha. So here option A, any superset of set of y. Here you can see y is present. Here vy is present. Here vy is present. What is happening, my dear, in option B? Wx. Here this is not the candidate key. And this is not the candidate key because y is not present. FD set is also not there. So you can't conclude, my dear. FD set is also not there. What happened? Correct Vy, correct Vy is there. This is correct, but here only V is there, Y is not. What is the correct answer, my dear student? Here B the correct answer for the correct answer for this. The correct answer. So please let me know first of all. Till now, each and everything crystal clear. Till now, each and everything crystal clear. Everyone, everyone, everyone. There is a one more question asking. I will take in normal form that question. Any doubt? Any doubt, my dear student? Now, um, can we start next topic because 8 minutes is remaining? Yeah, you want to start from tomorrow? Let me know. As whatever you tell, I will do accordingly. Please tell me fast. Tomorrow, yeah, today. Write down tomorrow or today. We discuss all the 8 questions of the candidate case, and after that, we are going to discuss next topic, membership. Membership. What is the meaning of membership set? Try to understand. What is the meaning of membership set? Membership set means what? Very good, bacho. Thank you. Shan, Sudhi. Thank you for your dedication. And believe me, I never ever disappoint you. Although we have a 1 hour class, but I try to cover each and everything. But you practice more also. Okay. Because it is not possible to compare loads of questions. But I'm giving my best. Whatever I can do here, I can take maximum questions because I have to complete whole topic. But definitely I am not missing any concept. I am telling here each and every concept. Then you can do n number of questions practice. Okay, bacha. But believe me, you will get each and every. Membership set. What is the meaning of membership set? Let F be the given FD set. Are you enjoying, bacha? Any doubt till now? F be the given FD set and any X tends to Y FD, a member of FD set F, and only if X tends to Y implied in implied in F. Sir, what is the meaning of membership set? First of all, I am taking one example. Let us assume we have given one data A, B, C, D, A to B, and asking A, B tends to is a member or B tends to see a member of FD set or not, my dear. Then how we can say? How we can say? Just take the closure. I don't know, but we'll get the information. Right now, there is a time. When we take the closure, my dear student, when we take the closure, then what happen? When you take the closure, if you are getting D, then yes, he tends to is member logically. Please try to understand what I am saying. Please try to understand what I am saying. What I am saying, if there are FD set F is given, there are FD set F is given. Let us assume we have a one FD set F. Okay, we have a one FD set F and asking X tends to Y. X tends to Y. A member of FD set F or no? So what is the meaning of X tends to Y? Basically implied. X tends to Y. Basically implied means what? from the closure of X. Can say X plus determine Y. X plus determine Y. Then can say X tends to Y is per or logically implied, or sometime it is asking valid FD. Valid FD, although I will cover in the of FD set also. So this is the meaning. Again, I'm saying in a short form, whatever FD set is given, whatever, no need to take any tension. If I am asking X tends to Y, any X tends to Y is a member or not. Any X tends to Y is a member of not. Then what you have to do? What you have to do? Just take the close. Just take the closure. If you are getting RHS, then you can say it is a member. Yeah, it's logically implied. Either directly, indirectly, it's none of my business. RHS contain, RHS attribute must be present on the closure. That is the meaning. Like here, if I am saying, my dear student, I am saying, please let me know, please let me know, A tends to is logically implied or not. A tends to C is logically implied or not. Second part. The first. Now tell me. A tends to C is logically implied. A tends to C is logically implied. Shan Divakar, very good bacha. God bless. A tends to C. What you have to do? Just take the closure of what happened. A blah 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 blah. I don't know what happened. Whatever remaining. No need to write. Just getting C. Yes, A tends to member or logically implied. Or logically implied mind. Oh yes, a closure is A, B, C, D. I know. Yeah. But now solve this. This question asked in GATE and is same question asked in GATE and ISRO बच्चों. And I am not writing any question in front of any question. Find when you check out the pro paper, you find key some of the questions from GATE directly asked. It doesn't mean ki doesn't have any level. It means GATE also have a level. Are you getting my point? GATE also have a level. Now tell me please, what is the correct answer for? What is asking which of the following FDs are not implied? Not implied by the above FD. Then A, B is different. First, I will take CD. Take this. What is happening? A and point B. We are getting O. Can we getting AC? Can we are getting AC? Yes, it's second D option. Fine. Take the first of D. Fine E. But what is asking? CD. Yes, it's side mind. Yes, it's now check option. Now check option. What is the option? Take the closure. First of all, B and D. D closure is B. Anything more? A we can't determine only. No, 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 no. Right. Not imp. Next, AC. When you take first of all A and A determine B and B determine D, and CD determine E. What you needed? B, SBI. Yes, it's implied. Yes, it's implied. What is the correct answer here? PD not implied, CD not implied. Here you can. A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. It is not B. Please carefully. Watch the option. Intentionally, I have done this. Now, this question asked in date 2021 MSQ of the FDs can be applied from the above. Let me know what are the FDs are implied. What you have to do? Just take the closure of LHS if you are getting RHS. Tell me fast, my dear student. Tell me fast. What we have to do? Yes. I will not tell. You try, beta. S closure. I don't know what is the closure. First of all, yes, it's now P determine QR, RS determine T. Asking private T. R closure. Only R. The R closure is not getting anything. One not. P closure. What is the P closure? Determine QR and nothing. But we required R only. S closure. Already we taken in the first A. Again, I am telling PS closure. Yes. P determine QR and QRS determine T. Required Q. What is the correct answer for this question? It is MSQ, bacha. Answer A and D. A, C and D. So my dear student, are you getting, bacho? Each and every one. Bacho, why I am not shouting? You can say because again, health is not complete fit and fine and having a throat infection till now also. And I have to take the another class also at 30 paid batches. That's why I speak and having a headache also. That's why but class will not cancel. Class every day, whatever your time, get the class. Definitely. Now, bacho, let me know if there is any doubt. Yeah, if you are enjoying, kindly write down in chat box. Kindly write down in chat box. My dear student, kindly write down in really you are enjoying or not, kindly write down in everyone, everyone, everyone. And tomorrow we will read new topic and definitely you thinking we read this topic and they you will learn new techniques. Believe me, my and in normal form, totally different data you will get this time also. Please, everyone, any doubt? Yes, Sima. So, thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. God bless you. Thank you. Yes, thank you, and everyone. God bless.